Step into a world that breathes wellness into every frame. Welcome to IC Tutor Wellness Channel, where the magic of essential oils knowledge comes alive. A world of captivating fragrances, bottled from nature's exquisite essence. These oils, extracted from the heart of flora, are the keys to a realm of natural wellness and aromatherapy. Imagine the joy of inhaling the soothing aroma of lavender or the invigorating scent of peppermint. Visualize the serenity that comes from a massage enhanced by the touch of these magical oils. Yes, this is a journey into a world where wellness is not just a concept, but a way of life. But there's more to this journey than just experiencing wellness. It's about creating it. Picture yourself blending and crafting your own personal wellness with essential oils. The power to transform your everyday into an oasis of tranquility is there, in your hands. And what is a journey if not shared? IC Tutor Wellness is more than just a channel. It's a community, a gathering of wellness enthusiasts united by a shared passion. Education is the cornerstone of our community. Discover the secrets of essential oils, unravel the mysteries of their benefits, and learn how to harness their power. And now a call to action. Subscribe, uncover the secrets of wellness, become part of a community that thrives on inspiration and shared knowledge. Remember, IC Tutor Wellness is your source of joy and balance in every frame, in every video. Immerse yourself in the magic of wellness with IC Tutor Wellness. Your journey into the world of essential oils begins now.